Harley Street Dental Studio is unlike any other dental practice. Hello, my name is Adam Thorne. I'm the CEO and founder of the Harley Street Dental Group. We are based in 52 Harley Street in central London. We have a team of fantastic clinicians here, specialists and experts in their own fields. We tend to treat everyone from young children up to 80, 90-year-olds. Your journey here at Harley Street Dental Studio is unlike that anywhere else in the UK. With our team of patient coordinators, our specialist dentists and our in-house general dentists, you can be sure that no matter what your requirements are, we can deliver you the best of care and the best of treatment to keep you smiling.
What I love about Harley Street Dental Studios is that we have many members to our team, from treatment coordinators to specialists. This allows us general cosmetic dentists to work together with a specialised team to provide the best care.
From the minute patients walk in the door, they're welcomed by the nurses, by the reception, treatment coordinators and the dentists. We're a big family and we hope that our patients feel that. I think that's a massive deal within a dental practice because people don't always like coming to the dentist. So it's nice that when somebody walks in the door and you notice that maybe they're feeling a little bit anxious about the upcoming appointment or the procedures to come, or maybe they're just anxious about what the dentist could potentially say to them. It's a big deal for the whole team here to make sure that from the get-go the patient is brought in and made feel assured at all times.
Look forward to seeing you soon for an appointment. Hello, my name is Adam Thorne. I'm the CEO and founder of the Harley Street Dental Group. I started dentistry just over 20 years ago. I then spent quite a lot of time in Australia and courses in the US as well. I attended the Pankey Institute in Florida, and I regularly attend various conferences in the US, the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry being one of them. I'm an Invisalign Diamond provider. That means I've treated over 1,000 cases of Invisalign, and I regularly treat 150 to 200 cases of Invisalign per year. My passion is cosmetic dentistry. I like really changing people's smiles. I can whiten teeth, Invisalign or straighten people's teeth. We do some bonding, which is where we add bits of filling materials to teeth. And we also like to use veneers and crowns to really open up and widen someone's smile. I have placed over 10,000 veneers in my time. These might be one or two teeth or sometimes a full mouth of veneers. My passion in cosmetic dentistry is really changing the way people look to give them a wider, beautiful, more balanced, harmonious and healthy smile.
Hi, I'm Kasey. I'm the practice manager here at Harley Street Dental Studio. I've been in dentistry since 2005. I started working here in 2014. I've had the pleasure of working in many different practices across the UK, obviously working my way up to come here to the prestigious Harley Street. Here at Harley Street Dental Studio, we do a range of all different treatments, ranging from general and family dentistry all the way to comprehensive treatments, full mouth restorations, dental implants and facial aesthetics. We've got a mixture of all different clinicians, specialists, specialist periodontists, endodontists. We're able to offer you all treatments all under one roof.
Hi, I'm Paul Wilson. I do implant dentistry in this practice. I can do all on four teeth in a day, single implant cases. They're a great way to get back missing teeth where you otherwise might have to destroy perfectly healthy teeth. I've been doing it for too many years that I can count. I've been a dentist for over 38 years. Interests outside of dentistry are my sports motorbike, which probably will kill me one day, but not yet. Snowboarding, again, same thing. And I no longer surf because that probably will kill me if I ever do it again. Family in Australia, 5 kids. Well, what can I say? So implants, you've lost a tooth. You would otherwise have to corrupt other teeth or wear granny's denture or grandpa's denture. So we give you back a root that we can then attach something to, and suddenly you've got your tooth back. It's a technology that's been developed progressively over the last 30 years. I was involved in the very early stages of that development, and I've watched it progress to a very advanced form in its modern iteration, so that it's almost a non-complex form of treatment, just like other modern dentistry. The technology, particularly digital technology, has improved the standards of care, the results, to the point where now with CT scans and guided surgery, the results can be in the high 90s for both maxilla and mandible, with very good long-term results and minimum pain.
In Harley Street Dental Studio, my role as a dental hygienist is to give all of my patients the best care and experience. I love my job, and I feel I make a difference in my patients' lives by giving them confidence that they deserve.
My name is Dr. Peter McQuillan. I'm a practicing cosmetic dentist. I love dentistry because it puts me in a position where I can help my patients achieve their goals. I love to see my patients smile and smile confidently. I feel I have a special skill set in dentistry. I have a keen eye for cosmetic dentistry and facial aesthetics. I've treated a population of patients now from across the world with different needs and requirements for their general and cosmetic dental health. I feel it's put me in a position where I can take on board your aims and your goals and help you achieve them in short and long periods of time. For me, dentistry has so many different specialties and treatments. I don't have a specific treatment that I favour over the rest, but what I do favour is getting a fantastic result and being able to show you your before and after photograph and seeing you smile. At Harley Street Dental Studio, you'll receive service and treatment unlike anywhere else in the UK. We have many features here and the latest technology that will make you feel comfortable in that home. From TVs on the ceiling, so you can watch your favourite movie whilst you're having some treatment, or even just a simple scale and polish, to having music on in the background to really make you feel at home. I can promise my patients the greatest of care, honesty, respect and discretion. I can promise them that we'll achieve fantastic results for them to make sure they're confident and happy with their smile.
Hi, I'm Dina. I'm a treatment coordinator here at Harley Street Dental Studio. Part of my role would be point of contact with the patient when they originally ring, and I would stay with them throughout the process, right till the end. My role would be making them feel at ease, giving them any information they need, whether it's about the procedure or money costs. I would then liaison with the dentist throughout the whole procedure. It's a massive deal to me that the patient feels comfortable at all times, calm and assured, and if I can help with that in any way, I always will. Probably the biggest thing I love about my role is being able to see a patient come in that's really nervous and make it a little bit easier, and being able to describe how over time coming into us and bit by bit that their fear might just go a bit, and knowing that you may have been a part of that process is massive. My job means something to me, and you feel it's significant, you know, being able to be a part of somebody's journey, and at the end of it that they're quite happy and that you may have been a hand in that.
Peter's treatment has been world class. The attention to detail has been second to none. I had an idea in my head of how I wanted my teeth to look, and to be honest, I was shocked how much better than even my idea in my head was. The teeth are amazing, they look real, I always had a fear of coming to the dentist, and it's a completely different experience for me now. I don't fear it. I'm not really bothered about it anymore. It's like it's actually made my experience with the dentist completely different.
Hi, I'm Sina and I'm one of the cosmetic dentists working here at Harley Street Dental Studios. I graduated in 2011 from the Royal London Dental Hospital, and I've been working on Harley Street for the last 2 years. My work within Harley Street encompasses a lot of cosmetic dentistry as well as some Invisalign and general dentistry as well. What I love about dentistry is that we can recreate patient smiles, often minimally invasively using composite resins, occasionally veneers, and it's the result that I think is absolutely fantastic and how you can change patients' lives. My passion within dentistry is minimally invasive cosmetic treatments, such as composite resin bonding. These are treatments that I'm quite passionate about and I think make a huge difference to patient smiles. One of my favourite treatments is composite bonding, where we apply layers of resin to a patient's tooth to change the smile. The resin can be incredibly durable and causes no damage to the teeth in a lot of cases, so this is what we refer to as minimally invasive dentistry. It's becoming more and more popular with a lot of young patients opting for it as an alternative to veneers. It can be cheaper and the material is incredibly durable. What I love about dentistry is that you can make a huge impact to a patient's life, often by doing very little, whether it's function or aesthetics. We can really improve a patient's life on a day-to-day basis. What I can promise my patients is that I won't stop until they're truly happy with the result that we've achieved. Whether it's just a functional need or whether it's cosmetic treatment, I'll always endeavour to explain the treatment plan in great detail, often taking photographs to explain what we can improve and what the cost will be and how long it will take to achieve the result that they want to achieve.
Hi, I'm Lana Fattah and I'm one of the dental hygienists here at Harley Street Dental Studio. I qualified from the University of Essex in 2010 and I've worked in private dentistry since the start of my career. I treat patients from all backgrounds, ages and needs, and I found that the most rewarding aspect of my job is helping the public improve their oral health and providing many with the confidence to smile again. Here at Harley Street Dental Studio, I'm so happy to be able to provide my patients with the best possible care using the latest technologies, equipment and products on the market. I also see patients through direct access, which means you don't need to see the dentist before you see me. Having said that, I have the privilege of working alongside some of the best clinicians in the UK in a beautiful setting on literally one of the most beautiful streets in the world. I personally enjoy providing individually tailored treatment to my patients by establishing their specific needs, whether it's cosmetic or health related. I ensure that my patients understand the importance of preventing gum disease. And in cases where irreversible disease has been established, my patients are treated and educated on how to best maintain and control their oral health to prevent further destruction. Once healthy teeth and gums have been established, I highly recommend the wonderful aspects of cosmetic dentistry, such as airflow and whitening treatments to further perfect and boost one's smile. I have vast experience in my field and I'm particularly confident at using the various whitening systems, treating people with gum disease, seeing nervous patients and treating children. I would like to think that I provide the highest quality of dentistry within my scope of practice, putting my patients' needs first. So please do come and see me and I look forward to seeing you here at Harley Street Dental Studio.
Hello, my name is Federico Tinti. I'm the specialist periodontist at Harley Street Dental Studio. I limit my practice solely to periodontology, which is the treatment of the gums. Patients that are referred to me most of the time suffer from periodontal disease, which is a quite common condition which may in time lead to bone loss, tooth mobility and eventually tooth loss. My prime scope is to prevent that from happening by treating the gum disease, stabilizing the situation and regaining health. I also get referred patients for aesthetic needs, such as patients that suffer from gum recession. In that case, I can quite often give the gums back. Or patients that sometimes have excessive gums, so we can reshape the gums in the best possible way. One of my main focus as a clinician is the treatment of periodontal disease. Periodontal disease is a genetic predisposition, and some people react to the presence of plaque in a way in which the gums get inflamed. And this inflammation can cause bone loss and the teeth ultimately lose their support and may eventually fall out. Once the bone gets eaten away, it tends to leave behind a space between the tooth and the gums, which creates a pocket, and plaque can freely accumulate there, and is then very difficult to stop the progression of this deterioration. In order to stop gum disease, we usually provide either non-surgical treatment consisting of deep cleaning under local anesthetic, or for more advanced case, surgical treatment which would involve physically eliminating the pockets. Such treatment aims at stabilizing the periodontal condition and eliminating the pockets, after which the patient can go back to normal routine maintenance with the hygienist. If you feel you have any of these concerns or needs, I'll be very happy to see you here at Harley Street Dental Studio.
Hello, my name is Katharine Arnold, also known as Katie. I'm one of the dental hygienists here at Harley Street Dental Studios. Hygiene sessions are really important for keeping the gums healthy and for preventing gum disease. Veneers, crowns, implants, braces, they all need regular cleaning sessions to maintain and maximise their longevity. Each hygiene session is just under an hour long, and this allows for a deep clean and for thorough stain removal to be carried out. It also gives us hygienists time to assess the health of your gums and to give tailored advice on how to prevent gum disease at home through your brushing techniques. The gums need to be in perfect health prior to starting any dental treatment. Dentists can't work around gums that are in bad health, that are puffy and that are bleeding. The hygienists here work closely alongside our in-house gum specialists to ensure that we get the gums into perfect condition as quickly as possible so that you can start your dental journey without any delay. Ultrasonic scalers, although quite noisy, are actually very gentle. They vibrate at a high frequency, which means they can quickly and easily remove the plaque and tartar. It's also much kinder to the teeth than manual scaling. The water jet washes away any plaque and also cools and soothes the gums during your treatment. For stain removal, we use a mixture of air polishers and handpieces to get your teeth back looking and feeling clean again. For those patients wanting a brighter and whiter smile, we offer a range of whitening services. Whether it's the home trays or one of our in-house sessions, our hygienists are fully qualified and trained and experienced to get you the best results you want. Whatever your needs are, we're here to listen to you and make sure you get what you want from your hygiene appointments. If you are phobic or nervous of treatment, let us know. We can take it slowly and we can work on it together. Teeth are so important. They impact on everything you do, whether it's speaking, eating or smiling in a photograph. Hygiene appointments are a great way to ensure that we keep your teeth for longer.
Hi, my name is Aneka. I graduated at Birmingham Dental School. I'm working at Harley Street Dental Studio. It's an amazing practice to visit. I'm one of the cosmetic dentists here that specialise in mainly cosmetic work. My passion for dentistry includes orthodontics, fixed and removable braces. Invisalign is an amazing option for patients. It's discreet, it's clear, it's removable, and it's one of the most popular ones here at Harley Street. With braces, it depends on how complex your treatment is. So it's best that you come in for a consultation. From that, we can take a scan, a digital scan, and it can give you a simulation of how your teeth can look at the end of treatment before you even start. And that's great for patients. You can really visualise how your smile will look before. The clear options include braces that go on the outside of your teeth, ones that go on the inside, incognito, and Invisalign. They can range from a few months to over a year or so, but it depends on what sort of results that you'd like and how your teeth are positioned from the start. After that, a lot of patients go for tooth whitening and composite bonding, and that just allows your teeth to be a bit more even and straight. We place a slight bit of filling material on the edges of your teeth and smooth them down so they look a bit more even and aesthetic. Harley Street Dental Studio is in the heart of London. It's on an amazing, prestigious location, Harley Street. Within the practice, you have a lot of specialities, so dentists from different fields, which are the experts in their field. So it means that you can get the best treatment. Treatment will be more predictable, precise, reliable, and it just allows you to have the best of the best. What I love to be able to offer my patients is when they come in for a consultation and see me for the first time. It's quite a friendly conversation that we have. It's great for patients that are quite nervous, who are not sure about what the options are that they can receive. And patients that come in, it's so rewarding to see how they are, may not be confident about their smile or have a certain goal. Patients that come in and have events coming up, so weddings, it's great to see their journey from start to finish and the transformation and how the smile can really change a person and the impact it has on them. My favourite treatment is veneers. It's one of the most popular treatments at the moment. A lot of patients want that perfect Hollywood smile. It could be 2, 4, 6 or even more teeth to give them that smile transformation and smile makeover. It really changes a patient's smile and it really gives them that confidence that they want to be able to smile in a picture and get the smile that they've been dreaming of. When patients come and see me, I try and do my best at making it pain-free. Coming to the dentist may not be a pleasant experience for everyone, but at Harley Street it's a nice and relaxed atmosphere. We have the best technology, digital scanning, so you don't have the impressions that are in the mouth. So patients feel a lot more, happier and comfortable.
I first came to Harley Dental about 6 months ago now. It was a recommendation from a friend, and one of the dentists there was already treating my partner. He'd had a really good experience, so I thought I'd give it a go. It's been great working with Peter. He's really conscientious. He's a complete perfectionist. Works well with me. I'm a Virgo, so I'm the same way. He gets all the details, really studies all the details really well, and the end result's been fantastic.
Invisalign is a fantastic way to straighten teeth. We have treated over 6 million smiles worldwide with Invisalign. It's a series of clear aligners that you wear almost full time. You just remove them when you eat things and brush and clean your teeth. Then change them each week. We don't need to see you each week. We tend to give you, say, 5 or 6 weeks worth and then review you as the treatment progresses. The treatment starts by coming in and seeing one of our expert Invisalign dentists. We will then be able to take some photographs, check you're suitable, check you're healthy, and we'll then take a scan using this machine here, known as an iTero. This avoids the need for those gooey impressions that sometimes bits go down your throat and they're not very nice. There's a little wand here, like a video camera. We'll move that over the teeth and we'll capture your teeth in position, and then we'll be able to show you what your treatment likes before you even start or even commit to the treatment. From then on, we'll be able to order the aligners. That takes 2 to 3 weeks from having the scan, and then we'll see your treatment through, which can be anything from a few weeks to up to about a year, depending on how far we have to move the teeth or how complex the case is. But it's a great, great treatment. In fact, I bet you didn't even know I was wearing my aligner now.
Here at Harley Street Dental Studio, it's important that we have the latest of technology, providing the best treatments for our patients. Today I'm going to introduce you to Sairan. Sairan is at the forefront of digital dentistry, and by that it means that we can, rather than take traditional impressions of your teeth, instead we simply take digital copies. I'll show you how to do it with this simple model. So instead of your traditional putties, we use a digital camera. We gently pass this camera over the teeth. It picks up thousands of pictures which it superimposes to create your digital model. I'll show you just now. Running around on the occlusal surface of the teeth, onto the sides of the teeth, and as you see on the screen, we're now starting to form this shape. This technology is fantastic for getting information to our labs with more accuracy. We can use this technology to make you a crown or a veneer in just one visit. So that's in less than 2 hours you can have a new crown. We can then also send this information to, say, my technician to have things like whitening trays made, all the way through to helping out with orthodontics and smile makeovers. It really is a fantastic solution for patients that not only want accuracy, are pushed hard for time, and for comfort. It really is superb.
Smile makeovers can be anything simple from just simple whitening to more classic placing dental veneers or porcelain veneers on your teeth. Anything that's going to enhance your smile and make it look more beautiful, healthy, and often more functional as well. The steps of the smile makeover, or different treatments of smile makeover, can be from teeth whitening, where we can lift your teeth up to 16 shades whiter with some of our enhanced products, to what we call dental bonding. Now, dental bonding is where we add bits of tooth colour filling material to your teeth. It's very precise, very bespoke, so we match it to your perfect tooth colour, and then we polish it in so you cannot actually see where it's finished. That's very simple, often done in one visit, to something a little bit more, it takes a bit more treatment planning, such as dental veneers. These are often sheets of porcelain, like a little flash, almost like an acrylic nail, but a porcelain facing that's tailor-made to fit your teeth. They will be put onto the teeth, bonded on with a very strong resin cement, and can last for years and years and years. That will give us the control over the smile. That runs from the shape of the smile to the shape of the teeth, the position of the teeth, and the colour of the teeth.
Dr. Peter McQuillan. I'm one of the practicing cosmetic dentists here at Harley Street Dental Studio. For me, cosmetic dentistry isn't about invasive treatments. To me, cosmetic dentistry is about letting you achieve your smile goals. This could be anything from simple tooth whitening to straightening your teeth. Of course, we provide treatments such as porcelain veneers, which are also a fantastic way to give you a beautiful, bright and wide smile. Here at Harley Street Dental Studio, we focus heavily on achieving beautiful smiles and excellent results. Part of this could be anything from simple tooth whitening all the way through to orthodontics, things such as simple composite bonding, and even porcelain veneers. Anything that you require with treatment, we have a specialist team so that we can look after any of your needs. You can feel right at home here with our welcoming team, our beautiful building, and our very easy location to get access to.
Hello, and thank you for choosing Harley Street Dental Studio. So you're interested in dental implants. Dental implants are often our benchmark for replacing missing teeth. We usually have 3 or 4 options to replace missing teeth. These can range from something like a denture or the removable teeth, although we do less and less of those now because, quite rightly, the patient wants something more fixed in the mouth, to bridges. Bridges may be something where we have crowns or caps on adjacent teeth with a false one in the middle, and then that can replace the missing tooth. However, our benchmark is dental implants. Dental implants consist of 2 parts. It's the dental implant itself. This is a titanium pin, almost like a screw, but that replaces the root of the tooth. That's placed into the jawbone under anaesthetic, sometimes sedation, so it's pain-free. In fact, a lot of people say it's actually easier than having teeth removed. That then needs a period of time to heal. The healing period is where the body or the bone integrates, known as osseointegration, with that implant. It knits onto the implant and provides a really solid base for when we can make the crown or a bridge to go on top of that. After 3 to 6 months, depending on how the bone is initially and where it is in the mouth, we then have that implant and we restore it with either 1 tooth or several teeth, depending on what your desire and your smile requires. If you're missing teeth, it's no longer necessary to suffer from lack of confidence or comfort or difficulty in chewing. We offer fixed solutions in the mouth. Fixed means they are screwed into your jawbone so you don't remove them, but also they don't fall out at uncomfortable times or inconvenient times. One of our popular treatments here is a process known as all-on-4 or teeth in a day. This is where someone often is missing the full teeth in one jaw, or sometimes both. We can place 4 implants, very precisionally placed, using CT scans. 4 implants can then have a bridge of usually 10 to 12 teeth screwed onto them. The patient comes in, sometimes with no teeth, and they can go home the day with these teeth fitted. They then are a softer diet whilst the implants integrate into the jawbone, but after 6 months we get a final bridge manufactured that no one knows they're not the real teeth.
So you're interested in having your teeth whitened. Fantastic. Tooth whitening is very safe to do, it's very minimally invasive, and importantly, it doesn't damage your teeth or gums. There are several ways to whiten your teeth, and we can take you from very dark teeth all the way to the top of the shade guide in as little as 2 weeks. We have 3 ways to whiten your teeth. We can have you whiten your teeth at home with custom-made trays that you wear at night time. We can also do some power whitening or laser whitening if you sat in the chair here, or you can take our preferred way, which is a combination of both. For whitening teeth, I like to use my preferred system, which is called enlightened whitening. It's made up of 2 stages, which is at-home tooth whitening at night for 2 weeks, followed by a powered-dose stage where we whiten your teeth in surgery with me or one of my dental therapists. It's the only tooth whitening product on the market which guarantees the results. I've had superb results with it, and I think you will too. However, if you're pushed for time, or if you have a wedding coming up very soon, we can actually whiten your teeth in just 1 visit. We prefer to use Zoom whitening if this is the case.
So TMJ is your temporal mandibular joint, or the jaw joint here. Unfortunately, some people can have some TMJ problems. This can range from a little clicking or grinding in the jaw joint itself, pain in the muscles, which can then lead to headaches, tension headaches, either here in your temples or sometimes at the back here, or can have, really unfortunately, ringing in the ear or pain in biting or unable to open and close their mouth. The pain in the jaw joint usually arises. It's very similar to your shoulder or your hip joint, but there are teeth involved as well. You have 4 muscles that open and close and move the joint in different positions. If one of the muscles becomes a little bit bigger, maybe stronger, because of either maybe you have a grinding habit, where you grind your teeth, or there's a little bite problem, then sometimes it can pull on the jaw joint in different positions, and that the joint doesn't move so smoothly in its socket, creating the pain. We offer a number of different treatments for this. First of all, we will need to assess you to see why you have the pain, possible causes, whether it's a bite problem or whether it's something else, a grinding habit, or there's some trauma that's happened, or there could be other reasons. And then we can tailor-make the treatment to you. This can involve sometimes just making up a little bite guard. We recommend a hard bite guard for this, but tailor-made to fit your bite and teeth, to more advanced, sometimes neuromuscular dentistry, where we can relax the muscles and move them into a more harmonious and balanced position. Other options include building teeth up, changing the bite with either tooth-coloured bonding resin, veneers, or sometimes just moving the teeth into a better, more harmonious position using orthodontics, which can be clear or invisible braces. Sometimes our patients want immediate relief for their jaw pain or TMJ DS. Some of the treatments we have offered are more complex and they can take a while to manufacture or for the teeth to move into those positions. We can then offer Botox into what we call the masseter, one of the big muscles down here. Botox is a muscle relaxant. It's made obviously a name for itself for cosmetic treatments for lines and wrinkles on the face, but it's also used as a medical device. The area where there's more muscle growth, or the muscles are slightly larger, then we often Botox those areas. And you can get immediate relief within 3 or 4 days. It can start to take an effect and really relax the jaw joint and the muscles and help with a possible grinding habit.
Dental white spots are patches or stains on teeth caused by multiple things. Things including trauma as a child, to being ill as a child, to difficulty in your mother's 3rd trimester. The result being that the white patch can often be on some of the teeth at the front or right the way across your mouth. So how do we treat white spots? Usually we begin white spot treatment by actually whitening your teeth first of all. Now for a short period of time it makes the white spot actually a little bit more intense. This intensity dies off after maybe 2 or 3 days after you've finished your tooth whitening, but the real benefit being that all of your teeth have lifted in colour. Once we've completed this, we come in and we provide a special treatment called Icon. Now we have a very high success rate of Icon treatments here and multiple cases to show you of these successful outcomes. Icon treatments completed in just 1 appointment. It's completely pain-free and it's drill-free. What is required? We put a special liquid in through the tooth and it affects how much reflection comes off the white spots afterwards. It's a superb and minimally invasive, ethical way to improve the appearance of your smile.